If you have a folder full of photos in Google Drive and you want to select multiple files quickly, this video is going to save you a ton of time. I'll show you the easiest ways to select more than one photo in Google Drive, whether you want just a few images, a whole range, or everything in a folder. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Google account that contains the photos you want to work with. Once Google Drive loads, click on My Drive on the left side of the screen. This is where your folders and uploaded photos are stored, and it's the best place to practice selecting multiple items. Now, if you want to select a few photos that are not next to each other, hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac. While holding that key, click each photo one by one. You'll see each file become highlighted as you select it. This method is perfect when your photos are scattered throughout the folder and you only want specific ones. If the photos are in a continuous row and you want to select a whole section at once, there's an even faster way. Click the first photo in the range, then hold down the Shift key and click the last photo in the range. Google Drive will automatically select every photo between those two files. This is a great shortcut when you need to move, download, delete, or organize a large group of nearby photos. And if you want to select everything in the folder, click on one file first and then press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. That will select all the items in that folder at once. This is especially useful when you need to download an entire collection, move all your files, or perform a bulk action without manually clicking each photo. Once your photos are selected, you can use the toolbar options at the top to manage them however you need. You might download them, move them to another folder, share them, or delete them, depending on your goal. The key thing is knowing which selection method to use for the situation. Control or Command for individual photos, Shift for a range, and Control or Command+A for everything. So to quickly recap, go to Google Drive, open My Drive, use Control or Command to pick separate photos, use Shift to select a range, and use Control or Command+A to select all files in a folder. It's a simple trick, but it makes organizing your Google Drive much faster and easier. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.